craters.
That is what this is. Go down there. Is that a weird thing to want to do? Is that a weird thing to want to do? Can you get permits for this? No? Cameraman's not talking, I'm talking to myself.
Yes, you can get a permit at the visitor center.
Maybe what's that? What is it? Miley, where's Christian?
Hi, Miley.
Where's Christian? Where's Christian?
Brother's fascinating.
No, there's no up here.
So I'm just chilling in this little part of the cave that I found.
Luki, what are you doing?
Loading a snowman.
I'm showing your snowman.
No, I need to find the eyeballs.
Get a pebble. So we are inside a cave
With snow.
in Craters of the Moon. There are the girls, and Christian is down there somewhere on the way out. Lukey found a patch of snow, another one, and he wanted to build a snowman in the summer. In summer!
I need to find the perfect snowman.
All right.
The perfect eyeballs.
And then if you look up, we are inside this awesome cave that was made with lava. this really cool hike in a cave, which is actually a lava tube, and it craters, and we came out of that crater.
I built a snowman.
Christian is falling because it's unstable.
Yeah.
Mom did it. Proud of everyone for doing it. Headlamps was very useful.
I'm dying.
Awesome hike, or spelunking, or whatever it is that we did.